everyone, in this video we'll look at how you can add content to the Collections Online themes page from CollectionsIndex Plus. The demo system has example records from the Crafts Council and the Canal and River Trust, so those are the records that we'll be seeing. Remember, your Collections Online site will be configured based on your specifications. Themes let you present sets of records and some additional information to your users. They can be a really useful way in for people accessing your collection records online without necessarily needing to know what to search for, as they can browse themes that they're interested in. So if we click on this themes menu, we're taken to the themes page, and you can see that we already have two themes available with a little bit more information about them here. And if I click on one of these themes, I'm taken to a set of records that relate to this theme that I can then view and explore. You create these themes in CollectionsIndex Plus as use of collection activity records. And here you can see those two theme records that we were just looking at in Collections Online. So let's add another theme. We click Add a new use of collection activity here, and we're taken to an edit form for this activity record. The first field that I fill in is the collection use type, and I select themes that it will display on my themes page. Then I can fill in a procedure title and a procedure note. And you can fill in more fields, but I'm just going to complete a couple more that will make a difference to the Collections Online site. So I'm going to add an image. Here. And eventually I'll make this record available on the website, but first I'm just going to save my changes and view this record. So that's what my theme record looks like at the moment. To set the records that will display when I click on that theme, I need to add governed items to this activity. So I'm going to go to the objects and add a couple of records. To my activity, and I might just add a couple of archive records as well. And then when I'm done adding governed items, I click I'm done, and I'm taken back to my activity record, now with my list of governed items just there. So the last thing I need to do to make this theme available on Collections Online is to just edit my theme record, or my use of collections record, so that it's available on the website. Oops. Just here. And I mark that as yes. And all of my other records have been marked as yes, all of the images and the governed items are also marked as yes. If you want to see a video on how to do that, there are other videos on this playlist. So I'm just going to go back and view this. That's all there. And then if I go back to my themes page, we'll see that my example has been added. So this is the procedure title being displayed, and this is the procedure note being displayed here with my image. And if I click on that, I'm taken to that set of 4 records that are my governed items on my use of collection activity record. So that is how you add to the themes page, and you can do this for any of your collections record types, as any of those can be governed items of activity records. And like I said at the start, it just gives people another way into your collection, so it can be really, really useful.